Do this one, the plank. Can you do what that elephant's doing? Ooh, butt up, legs up, good girl. How about this one? Oh, lift one leg. Woo, lift the other leg. Say, I love yoga.
I love yoga.
Good girl. Can you do this one?
Yeah.
That's good. Stretch. Take a deep breath. Good girl. Want to try another page? Okay, do that one. Hands down. One leg up, one leg back. There you go. Good girl. Now, both legs back. Ooh, lie down, put your legs up, and touch your toes.